In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reinstall OneDrive on Windows 11. Reinstalling can fix sync issues, missing features, or a corrupted installation. Before we start, make sure you're connected to the internet and, if possible, let OneDrive finish any pending syncs so you don't interrupt file updates. You'll also want to be signed in with an account that has permission to install apps on your PC. Begin by opening the Start menu. Press the Windows key on your keyboard, then start typing Control Panel. When you see Control Panel appear in the search results, click it to open. In the Control Panel window, go to Programs, then choose Uninstall a Program. This view lists all the desktop programs installed on your computer. Scroll through the list and look for Microsoft OneDrive. If the list is long, you can sort by name to make it easier to find. Once you locate OneDrive, right-click it and choose Uninstall. Confirm any prompts that appear. Windows will remove the current OneDrive installation. This usually takes a minute or two. When it's done, the OneDrive app and its background process will be removed, but your files that were already synced to your PC will remain in your OneDrive folder unless you deleted them manually. Next, open your web browser. In the address bar or a search engine, type OneDrive download. From the results, select the official Microsoft OneDrive download page. It's important to use the official source to ensure you get the latest, safe version. On the downloaded page, look for the download button specifically for Windows. Click Download for Windows and let the installer save to your Downloads folder. When the download finishes, open the installer. You can click it directly from your browser's Downloads menu or open your Downloads folder and double-click the file. If Windows asks for permission to make changes, click Yes. The OneDrive setup will launch and guide you through the process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Setup will install the app, add OneDrive back to your system, and then prompt you to sign in and choose your sync settings. If you're not ready to configure everything right away, you can accept the defaults and adjust them later from OneDrive settings. After installation, you should see the OneDrive Cloud icon in the notification area. If it doesn't appear immediately, give it a moment or sign in when prompted to start syncing. That's it. OneDrive has been cleanly uninstalled and reinstalled on your Windows 11 PC, ready to sync your files again.